Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or export your customer list from FreshBooks. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you need to upload or import your client list somewhere else and it originates from FreshBooks. Let's say, for example, if you're switching accounting softwares. So be sure to follow this simple tutorial just so that you can learn how to actually export your customer list from FreshBooks. So first, we're going to go onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. Next, we're going to click on Clients. Now, from this Clients page, you're going to click on this More Actions button and then simply just click on Export Clients. Now, as you can see, the file has finished downloading. And if we open that up, you can see all the information that's been given with this FreshBooks account. So we have the organizations, first names, last names, emails, and this other information wasn't filled out by my mock clients, but that is essentially how you actually go ahead and export your customer list from FreshBooks. But if you know of a better way to actually do this, let us know in the comments down below. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.